Blessed is she who has believed that the Lord would fulfill his promises to her. Luke 1 verse 45. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair tutorial, and today I'm featuring Wiggins hair. I featured Wiggins hair before, and yeah, so I'm back with another hair tutorial. That's how you know they're good. Today I'm going to be showing you guys their 6x6 HD lace closure wig. So as you can see, this is a closure. I've just customized it like a frontal, and I absolutely love this. It's so convenient, it's so easy to pop on and go, and yeah, it didn't take as much time as customizing a frontal would. If you'd like to see how I, stuck this hair on and got this hair to look how it does, make sure you carry on watching. Alright, this is the wig on my canvas head, and I'm just showing you guys how it looks after I've bleached and plucked the lace. I've just sectioned out my baby hair section, and now I'm going to show you everything that came inside the bag. So first we have a scarf, which is a neat, really nice accessory. Don't think I'll be using it though. And then we got a wig cap. I don't use that colour, but we move. And then we have a headband, a really nice diamond headband. A lot of vendors have been giving us recently. Elastic band and 2 packs of eyelashes. I was really shocked. I had to make sure I wasn't using another bag. And then the hair comes in a plastic wallet. And this is just the hair after I've bleached and I haven't straightened the hair. I'm just showing you guys the hair, how it looks when it comes. And this is the lace. I'm going to be putting foundation on my lace just so it blends nicely into my skin. This is like a easier alternative to tinting your lace. If I would change anything about the construction of this wig, is I would include elastic straps. Like, this doesn't come with elastic straps, it just comes with the standard adjustable straps that are installed inside the wig. I'll prefer if it came with the elastic band that you can adjust, like this ones that has like 3 levels that you can adjust. That would be like the perfect wig ever. Now I'm going to take my eyebrow scissors and I'm just going to use that to cut the lace. I love using these scissors because they're so small and so precise, and they give like a jagged cut because the actual blades are like curved, if that makes sense. So it gives me a really nice cut, and I'm just going to cut that in a zigzag motion. And this is the lace after it's been cut, and I'm going to do the same to the other side. Hi, if you're new to my channel, I don't really use glues often. So most of the time I use ORS Fix It Whole Spray. And this, like, it really keeps my wigs in place because I don't really wear wigs for too long. Sometimes I even take them down at night. Well, most of the time I take them down at night. So applying glue, it's just a long process for me because I'll have to clean the lace, take off all the glue from the lace, which is a long process, and try to get the glue off my head as well. It's just long for me. So I prefer to use like a spray, either got to be the ORS Fix It. I personally prefer the ORS Fix It because it's made for this purpose and it's infused with castor oil. And now I'm just going to take my elastic band and just let that sit, let that lace really marinate, let it melt into my skin. And whilst that's doing that, I'm just going to straighten my hair. Alright, so the key to getting a flat install is to work in sections. If you have a frontal, if you have a closure, work in sections. You can't be taking big chunks and expecting flat results. You really have to take your time, work in sections. Like for my closure area, I part, I straighten with my straightener, then I go on top with my hot comb, and that's how I get my hair flat. Not flat to the brain, but flat. If you want flat results, make sure you're working in sections.
shots with the adrenaline. You brown with the melanin. Girl, you did do me strong thing. This love got me falling. Girl, you're my calling.
Alright, so now I'm removing the elastic band, and now I'm going to move on to customizing my baby hairs. So initially I was just going to do like the 2 baby hairs on the side, as you can see, but then I ended up doing 3 because that was in the mood I was in. I just changed my mind all of a sudden and I said, I want 3, sections of baby hair, so I'm just going to do that. So I just cut them really short. Then I take my Afro G mousse, which is the best mousse in my opinion. And then I'm going to take my edges comb, and I'm just going to use that to style my edges. It's pretty, you can watch and see how I do it. Me explaining, I can't even explain properly. Just watch it and you'll see how I got the results. Whenever I apply or I put too much hairs in the baby hair section, I comb them away. I don't know if you can see, I'm kind of like combing a section away from the hair. Instead of like plucking the hair or messing it all up and starting again, I will just comb a section away. If you can see, that's how I'll make my edges quite lighter and fluffier. So this is how we're looking. I'm just going to wrap it again with my satin wrap this time and let it sit for a while. Then I will remove that and wrap it again, this time covering the whole front section so that everything is flat on flat. Okay, so to define my part, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Fawn. And I'm just going to work this, and this is going to be a really sharp, crisp parting. And then I'm going to start customizing my frontal. I mean, my closure, you see, this is how I'm even deceiving myself at this point. It's a closure. I'm going to pluck away at the closure because I still feel like it was a bit thick at the front. Okay, so remember how I said I over bleached? This is how I fix it. I just take a mascara wand and I rub off like most of the products, and with the excess I use that to define my part and cover up all the places that are over bleached and looking blonde, and it works just fine. You can't really tell. It looks nice and crisp and lovely and neat. Hey guys, so this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry that it wasn't like a talk through video. Yeah, so this is the hair. I really love it. From the moment I got it in the box, I knew it was gonna be great. I've worked with Wiggins hair before, so I already knew what to expect, and I am not disappointed at all. At all. Look at it's just buttery. I haven't straightened the back of the hair. I wanted to leave it as natural as much as I could, like leave it how it came. I only straightened the front because obviously I bleached the knots. I am 5'9" and this hair is 24 inches, and I think it's very long for 24 inches. It goes literally to the top of my bum. This is a HD lace, guys, so to melt it into my skin wasn't a problem at all. I haven't used HD lace in a while, and this just reminded me that I need to start using it much more because it's literally melted into my skin. Okay, bleaching the knots was pretty straightforward. I would say that the front bleached pretty well, but the middle did like take two. I had to bleach it twice to really see the results. When I bleached it the first time, I saw results in the front. In the back, like the knots were still pretty clear, like the knots. So when I bleached it the second time, that's when it really like started to lift and turn blonde. But it's really nice. Plucking it wasn't an issue. Also, it's just the knots really. The knots in the middle. So like from here, it's fine. But when you get to here, the knots start to get a bit more stubborn. So I would say bleach the knots twice if you do plan on getting this hair. This is a 6x6 closure and it comes all the way here. I wanted to really like utilize the front closure and make it look like a bit like a frontal. That's why I did the extravagant baby hairs. But I really do like how it came out. It's super duper flat. It's super duper flat, but still quite full. This is all the hair. Look at how like I've used this hair. I've used Wiggins hair twice now, so this is my third time using their hair and I'm not disappointed at all. So yeah, I highly recommend, especially a 6x6 closure. This is my second 6x6 tutorial on this channel. It's my second, this might be my third. And 6x6, they're so convenient. They're so convenient. It's so easy to pop on. If you're in between a closure and a frontal, I would advise getting like a 6x6 closure because it can give you the illusion, or it can give you the same results as a frontal without going, you know, just without the sideburns area, because it does cover pretty much most of your hairline. So yeah, I really love this hair. It's so soft, and I'm trying to run my hands through to see if there's any shedding for you guys. Just running my hands, like I'm literally tugging on the hair as I'm running it through, and I didn't get any strands whatsoever. I'm gonna try again. There's no shedding with this. So yeah guys, that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. All the information on this hair will be in the description box below. And yeah, that's the end. If there's any videos you'd like for me to do, make sure you let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed for.